If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When creating documents in Word that may be disseminated to persons with disabilities, you can run the Accessibility Checker tool to look for accessibility issues. Doing this lets Word scan your document and open the Accessibility task pane. This task pane will display errors, warnings, and tips on what document content may be difficult to access for someone with a disability. To run the Accessibility Checker in Word from Microsoft 365, click the Review tab in the ribbon. Then click the Check Accessibility button in the Accessibility button group to open the Accessibility task pane. In the Accessibility task pane, a list of errors and/or warnings may appear. If these appear, these indicate serious issues that will most likely cause problems for people with disabilities. Below the list of errors and warnings, you may also see a list of tips. These are issues that could cause problems but aren't as serious as the issues in the errors or warnings list. You can click any collapsible and expandable issue to see the specific document content causing the issue below it. You can then click an issue to select it in the document so you can fix it. For each item selected, you can see what to fix and how to fix it in the Why Fix and Steps to Fix sections of the additional information list at the bottom of the task pane. You can also click the drop-down arrow that appears at the right end of the selected issue within the Accessibility Checker task pane to show a drop-down menu of commands that you can select to help you quickly fix the issue with the selected content. The choices vary based on the issue and the content. However, you can select a choice from this drop-down menu to open the related fix for the content and make your corrections as needed. As you make corrections, the selected items are removed from that section of the task pane. To close the Accessibility Checker task pane when you finish correcting these issues, click the X button in the upper right corner of the Accessibility Checker task pane. Word for Microsoft 365 also lets you run the Accessibility Checker as a background tool so you can constantly check document content as you create it. When enabled, a new accessibility status appears within the status bar so you can see if you have any accessibility issues that arise as you create the document. You can click this status at any time to easily open the Accessibility Checker task pane. An easy way to enable the Accessibility Checker as you work is to check the Keep Accessibility Checker Running While I Work checkbox within the Accessibility task pane. Alternatively, to enable running the Accessibility Checker as you work by using the Word Options dialog box, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Options command at the left side of the Backstage view to open the Word Options dialog box. Then select the Accessibility category at the left side of the Word Options dialog box. Under the Make Your Document Accessible to Others category to the right, check the Keep Accessibility Checker Running While I Work checkbox. Then click the OK button in the Word Options dialog box to apply the change. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.